Today we are exploring Bearden Falls in North Georgia, and this might be one of North Georgia's best waterfalls. Maybe you've checked out Amicalola Falls, the tallest in the state. Maybe you've been to Cochran Falls, one of the largest cascades in the southeast. But what about the third of the three sisters, Bearden Falls? It's about a 3-mile round trip, and you're not going to find a parking lot or a paved trail leading to it. Instead, it's going to be creek crossings and towering hemlocks. But the payoff is well worth it. So come along as we show you the trail and, of course, the towering Bearden Falls. Accessing Bearden Falls is fairly easy. Just follow the address that you find on the internet or in Google Maps. It's going to be a short drive down a Forest Service road, and then there's a parking lot off to the right. Here it is.
And right out the gate, you're going to come up to your very first creek crossing on your way to Bearden Falls. Oh boy.
All right, let's go over the details of Bearden Falls. It's about a 3-mile hike depending on where you start from. You're looking at about 450 feet of elevation change, and the trail is rated moderate.
Oh man, it looks like a muddy little miniature temporary lake. There comes a frog. Frogs. See them? Yeah, look, there's one right there. You can really see it. Alright, so the road eventually ends after about, I don't know, a quarter mile, maybe a touch longer. And there's Blue Blaze. So the last time we were here, this was not marked. You just had to guess. And there's lots of creek crossings. But follow these Blue Blazes, they're your friends. Now the next decision is where along this creek do we want to cross. As you can see, there's a desire path there because other people have had the same decision. I don't know, we'll figure it out. All right, the first of many creek crossings. All right, is the second of many creek crossings. So make sure to just follow the Blue Blaze. Okay. You know, sometimes I have trouble counting creek crossings. It's just the way it is.
As we get deeper into the hike, I should go ahead and say this is for sure a Tazumi Woods approved hike. You're going to want to take your time and just enjoy it and really soak it all in. The hike itself is a lot of fun. The waterfall is a lot of fun. So for sure, follow the Blue Blaze to Bearden Falls and have a good time.
Oh, it looks like we're coming up on Bearden Falls. No, this is not Bearden Falls, okay? This is just a little teaser.
If you want to skip ahead to the waterfalls, it's about 9.5 minutes into the video, so feel free to fast forward to the waterfalls.
Very faint, but if you look very closely, you'll see a teal marker, another teal marker, and I have no idea what to do next. Let's see, do we want to go over? Do we want to go under? I'm going over. Still Blue Blaze. Whoa. There's a lot of down trees right here. Oh man, I hope I'm counting right. This is creek crossing number 4, I believe. It's the correct way. I see the Blue Blaze across the way. Here we go. Today's February. It's Groundhog's Day, actually. And apparently we're supposed to get 6 more weeks of winter. which is in stark contrast to hiking in 60-degree weather in t-shirts in February in North Georgia. But yeah, we're supposed to get 6 more weeks of winter. We'll see. I need like a good hiking catchphrase, like not "here we go" and not "tally ho," but something, you know, like up and away, you know, to the moon. Yeah, onward and upward. I don't know. We'll think, you know, cheerio, yip yip, hi yay. I don't know. This needs work. We'll work on this. We just passed by 2 people, and there's a phenomenon I've noticed while hiking is that 90% of hikers smell like dryer sheets. I don't know, I'm starting to hear some heavier water flows. We're definitely heading further and further uphill, but I think we are getting close to the falls. All right, we're coming up on creek crossing 5 or 6, something like that. Like I said, there's a lot of creek crossings. Whoa. Really cool. We're gonna be on a little island here, actually. We're still on a tiny little island here. It's pretty cool. We got another creek crossing. It's kind of wild. This forest looks like a war zone. Like there's a lot of down trees and down limbs, and everywhere you go, just mashed up and broken bits of forest. Old blaze, new blaze. Definitely getting closer now. The uphill has significantly increased. The grade is getting steeper and steeper. When you get to the actual waterfall, if you so choose, you can go way up, and it's way steep. You will be scrambling almost straight vertical, but it's definitely doable. Lots of footholds and handholds, and definitely worth it. So if you look straight ahead, and sort of look to the top of your screen, look to the top of the horizon. Those are all trees growing on what would be the top of where this waterfall comes out. Pace yourself as you get to the uphill part because it's so worth it. You don't want to be wiped out or exhausted when you get to the waterfall. You're going to want to save your strength for that last climb. Up, up, up. I've lost count on the creek crossings. This has got to be 6, 7, something like that. There's a lot of creek crossing. I just want everyone to be able to hear the falls. Absolutely incredible. All right, remember how I said save your energy for the climb up? Well, this is it. It is a steep, narrow, one at a time path that gets you closer and closer to the falls. And we passed a few people on the trail. There's been nobody else at this waterfall since we've been here. And we've probably been here for like 30 minutes now, just filming and climbing. So if you're looking to get out and have a very private experience, this is it. The trail's well marked, but as far as like the waterfall and the trailhead, not well marked. Trail's easy to follow. Where is it? All right, let's keep going. We're almost at the tippy top. We've been everywhere, but we gotta go further. We gotta see what's up this trail. Here we go. All right, these rocks are super cool. I've been climbing straight up, so I'm a little winded. I'm gonna check out this path. Check out these rocks over here in the waterfall and see if this cave is a cave or not. Here we go. Oh, man, it's looking kind of scary. Whoa. Oh my gosh, this is so worth it. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this dangerous? It could be, but it's relatively safe and flat right here. Wow, is it worth it though? Holy cow. Look at all this. Wow. Wow. Can I not go explore what's in this hole? I have to. I feel like an obligation to do it. So here we go. Oh boy, I'm sliding. All right. Actually, not that scary at all. They look quite comfortable and cozy. Well, basically ran out of trail without scrambling over some crazy stuff. So I'm gonna call it. There's not a lot more fun to be had, I don't think, past down there. But wow, what a trail. And now I start my very steep, almost sheer climb back. Woo. Thank goodness all these trees are here to give me a little bit of support. See? Yeah, it's that steep.
Thanks again for watching. Tazumi Woods says thank you, and we'll see everyone out there in the woods.